Hello, so welcome to my channel. I am doing one of my last tutorials with the Makeup Revolution X The Lion King collaboration palettes, and this last palette I'm doing a tutorial with in these series is the one called Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. The palette looks like this. So you will see swatches of the whole palette in the back of my hand. And here is the look I ended up with. I was trying to go for an autumn look for the fall season, and I feel like the colors blended in beautifully, and yeah, so I hope you're doing great, and if you're interested, I will start the video right now. Okay, so the first shade I want to take is called I'm Home. And I am going to be taking my Sigma E40. And I'll use that shade as my transitional start. Okay, using this same brush, I am taking the shade called Hair. Hair. And I'll just set that all over my brow bone. Okay, so the next shade I want to take is called African Savannah. This bright matte yellow. And I want to use my Sigma E36, and I'll place it on the inner half of my crease shade, like the first half. So now I'm going to be taking the shade I'm Home again, and I'll put that on my lower half of my eyelash, lower eyelash situation. And I'm taking my Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH39. Okay, so now for my crease shade, I am taking the shade to Mountain. And I'll be taking my I Heart Revolution brush. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking a shade called Pumbaa right here. And I'll be using the same brush, and I'll put that in my outer corner. Okay, so for now for the shimmers, I am going to damp my brush with water, and the brush I'm using is BH Cosmetics number 7. And the first shade I want to take is this one called Sunrise. So the next shade I want to take is Simba. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking the shade Look Inside Yourself, and I'll put that in my inner corner. I'm also using this Dollar Tree brush. Okay, so now I'll just blend all of my look together, especially the edges here. They look a little wonky. I'm using my BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching what I did, and this is the final look. On my lips, I actually have the Bobbi Brown Crush Liquid Lip and Give a Fig. I'm currently doing like a wear test for it just to see how it holds up with staining. But anyway, I hoped again you enjoyed, and may God bless always. I will wish you a good rest of your day or night, whatever time you're watching. Take good care, and I will hopefully see you next time. Bye.